The instruction of the day, of this moment, this morning, to last throughout the day until tomorrow morning. Take only what resonates. Leave the rest for another. Recently, what has passed in your life is you've experienced major delays surrounding your work, business, marriage, even, and a very significant official situation that put you in a very powerful position to make a final judgment on something. And it looks like it was a good decision that was made surrounding that. A decision that benefited you. That is what's passing, or has already passed. Current conditions, or what is to come next, whatever it is you are testing. Let me backtrack. Test the waters. Whether that be investing financially or in others or another situation, make sure you are maintaining control of that situation, as to say, make sure any testing you're doing in your life is done in a controlled environment that keeps the power that keeps you in control over that situation, that keeps the power in you, that keeps the ball in your court. This will make you stronger in your skill, stronger in your position. If you maintain control over your situation and things that you're testing. I'm thinking of when scientists do research and research studies, they do so in a confined environment. The test subjects are in a confined space, and they're testing, doing those tests upon those test subjects. And it's done in such an environment so that they maintain control. So that is what you need to be doing in whatever testing you are doing. You make sure you maintain control. Again, this will give you strength. This will make you stronger for your benefit. And give you about victory over that which you are testing. If you need to move to a new residence, make that happen. Whether if in business you need to move to a new building for your business, or on a personal level, moving to a new home, embarking upon a new journey. Make it happen. It would provide balance, whether it means you taking a trip out of the city, overseas, somewhere in the world. taking control of your situation. After a lot of deliberation and delays in your life will provide you the victory and open up new opportunities. Be ready for those new opportunities. You have the world in the palm of your hand. So all of this will lead to you finding out the truth about a situation that's affecting the balance. And having that information will help you to restore balance where it's needed in your life. That no matter what trouble arises, whether it's jealousy or something else that comes up, it's not going to hold you back at all. You'll find that you'll need to take some time to yourself so that things can dissolve. That any trouble that is attempted to come against you will be at your mercy. Whether or not you'll grant it is up to you. So that would conclude, like I said, take only what resonates and leave the rest for those who will leave the rest behind for the next person. So take control. Financial situation, whatever testing it is you're doing, it makes you stronger. You'll have victory. Might be moving somewhere, going overseas on a trip. You'll have some opportunities in luck travel. But do know that whatever trouble comes your way, you will have, that trouble will be at your mercy. So let's say, for example, someone's trying to destroy you, that person will be at your mercy in the end. And you will, at that point, be able to make a decision whether or not you're going to grant them, mercy. But make sure you take some time alone during the process, So that is the word of instruction for this morning on to 24 hours.